Okay, so number 9, it says the sum of the first 4 terms of the series is 73.8. I'm tempted to do T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 is 73.8, but I think in this case it's best to use the sum formula. Okay, I think it's going to really help us there. It also says the sum up to infinity of the series is 125. Okay, so let's work with this to start with then. So we've got A, okay, in that formula there, 1 minus r to the power n, right, power 4, over 1 minus r equals to 73.8. Okay. Well, let's go with that, okay, and let's leave it like that for a moment. Let's have a look at this then. Sum to infinity, so we've got A there, over 1 minus r is equal to 125, okay. So I suppose what you could do here then is take the 1 minus r over and times, as we've done before. So we've got equation 1 here, we've got equation 2 here. But of course what we can do then with equation 1, we can sub in the value of A that I've got from equation 2. So sub 2 into 1. So A is this, when I sub it in there. So I'm literally subbing in the big value I've got for A in here. And what I hope you can notice then, lovely, which is nice about this, is the 1 minus r's will cancel. Okay, so you end up with that. So we have 125, 1 minus r to the power 4 equals to 73.8. You could then multiply out, or you could just take that 125 over. That would be the sensible thing, I think, to do here. And divide. So let's work that out on our calculators. Okay, well, it's not very nice, but let's write it there as a decimal line, because it does come out as a whole, as in a terminating decimal, so it comes to a stop. Let's swap these around then, so r to the power 4 will be 1 minus 0.5904. And that comes to 0.4096. It's not particularly nice, but then of course, to get r then you've got to fourth root this. So let's see what that comes out to be then. So we've got, so my calculator, if I press shift and then this button here, I think that'll do it for me. Maybe switch around first. And it comes out to be lovely as 0.8. Okay, that's what it comes out to be, that is 0.8. That's the value of r there. And once you've got r, you can then sub it then into this one to get a. So a will be 125, 1 minus r. Okay, so that comes out to be 25, doesn't it? Yeah, fantastic. And we've got our answer for a and r.